Most men today are trapped in comfort. They wake up to an alarm, hit snooze again and again, and before their feet even touch the ground, they're already lost in notifications, messages, and other people's lives. They don't lead their day, they react to it. But disciplined men, they live by a different standard. They follow a code. Here are 10 habits that separate the disciplined from the distracted. Habit 1. Take control of your morning. Average men wake up late and rushed. Disciplined men wake up with purpose. No phone, no chaos, no rushing energy. They create a calm, focused start, because how you begin your morning determines how you live your entire day. Habit 2. Train your body daily. Strength isn't optional. You don't need a perfect gym routine, but you do need movement. Run, lift, stretch, push yourself. You're not just training for looks, you're training for life. Because when pressure hits, your body should not be the weak link. Habit 3. Eliminate early distractions. Most men wake up and immediately consume. Disciplined men create first. They protect their first hour. No scrolling, no noise. Instead, they think, plan, or sit in silence. Because if you don't control your mind early, something else will control it for you. Habit 4. Build order around you. Your environment reflects your discipline. A messy room is a distracted mind. Disciplined men take care of the small things. They organize, clean, maintain standards. Because discipline isn't loud, it shows in the details. Habit 5. Do what's uncomfortable. Growth never comes from ease. Every day, choose something difficult. Cold showers, extra reps, hard conversations. Most people avoid discomfort, but disciplined men understand. That's where transformation lives. Habit 6. Honor your word. Your word is your identity. If you say you'll do something, do it, even when no one is watching, because every broken promise to yourself chips away at your confidence, and every kept promise builds unshakable self-respect. Habit 7. Protect your mind. What you consume becomes who you are. Drama, negativity, useless content, it drains your potential. Disciplined men are selective. They watch what they listen to, who they follow, and what they allow into their mind. Habit 8. Speak with purpose. Your voice matters. If you can't express yourself clearly, you can't lead. Disciplined men speak directly. No hesitation, no filler words. They think before they speak, and when they speak, people listen. Habit 9. Reflect every night. At the end of the day, be honest with yourself. What did you do right? Where did you fall short? What needs to change tomorrow? Growth comes from awareness, and awareness comes from reflection. Habit 10. Build, don't just consume. Most men spend hours watching others succeed. Disciplined men create. They build skills. They build income. They build a future. Because real fulfillment doesn't come from consuming, it comes from creating.